extension mailbox. This is where you set up the number of various extension numbers as well as a mailbox for caller to leave messages. All agents, when they sign, are assigned with an extension number, and this extension number must be created here. If you do not have the extension created for the agent, when they sign, the sign will fail because the system cannot locate the extension. So, for example, if this agent using extension 100, you have to first create it, enter all the relevant information, the name, password. Password by default is the same as the number, unless you choose to change the password here. Function. What function does this number represent? This number, is it an extension? Is it a mailbox? Or is both mailbox and extension? Property assigned. You only need to assign this property if the function is a mailbox. Otherwise, you can leave it as unassigned. Now, this is an important feature. Issue seek registration parameter to agent. This is to provide password so that when the agent signs, the seed password will be automatically distributed to the agent application so that you can sign the seed phone. It acts more like a security to prevent the user agent from knowing what is the password to sign into the seed extension. Assign to agent. You may want to lock this extension number to the agent, meaning to say, if any other agent tries to sign in their agent application using this same number, you will not be allowed. So let's say if this number is assigned to agent 800, anyone other than agent 800 will not be able to use this extension to register their phone and to sign in. Currently, SIG PABX setting is not available, so you can ignore this because SIG PABX port number are actually defined under the present service, so you do not need to have this. So this option is actually not available. If you choose to have this as a mailbox or mailbox and extension, you have to select the options because the mailbox requires some extra properties which you can find and set up under here as standard properties. This is where you create a new, when you add a new property, the code, the name, and the description. Now for that number to be a mailbox, you want to have it, when a message is saved under this mailbox, you want it to route to email. You want to retain the message after routing, and the message quota, how many messages are allowed to be kept inside this mailbox, how many days you want to keep this message before you purge it, and the recording time for this message. Now, route this message to email is set up under this email address page that's related to the mailbox number. To add a single number, you click the add button, select which row it plays, and click OK. To create a list of numbers, you can enter a range, let's say from 200 to 210. You can quickly create a list of numbers and then set extension and click OK.